In this video, we will see how to slice a string. For this, I am defining a name Rahul Singh. So, how to slice a string? How to slice a string? Like I want first three character of this string. So we just need to pass it starting point, then colon, then end point also. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So I am passing 2 here. So it is returning RA because in Python end point is always excluded. It will be like this 0 and end point is 2, but 2 is always excluded, not included. So here to get the third character also I have to pass 3 here because end point is always excluded in Python. So this is returning RAH. It is returning 0th, it is returning 1, and this is returning second character also. But this is not returning third character, this which is U because it is excluded. So what we if we want jump in Python like I want R, H, then L, then I, then S, then N, then H. So they jump off 2. So we can also define they jump off to 0 to 0 to and jump off 2. This empty is default by default is end of string. So what is returning? R, H, L, then S, then N, then H. So it is returning like this. So what if I want to reverse it? So first of all, we will see that what if I just pass a colon. So it will return whole string. By default, there is start point. Here is the start point is 0, and by default there is start point is end. So it will return full string. But there is a catch that when we return, when we do like this, then we defining the jump is -1, then there is a special case, then the starting point is end and ending point is start. So it will reverse. So it will return reverse string. This is HGNIS, then space, then LUHAR. So there's some example that what will be here. Can you tell me what will be the returning string? So there is empty because it starting point is 2 and ending point is 1. So and by default they jump off 1, so it cannot do it. So if I define -1, so can it what will be the resulting string? So this is H because 2 is included and 1 is not included. So 1 is, so what is 2? 2 is H and 1 is A because A is not included. So it is just returning H.